Hello friends, welcome back to my channel tagbees_home. In today's topic, we will see one of the example of mid function. As you can see here in the screen, that how to identify an email address from the big text. So here is the text. As you can see, my name is Ashok. My ID is ashok@gmail.com and I'm from Delhi. From this text, we need to identify only email address. How to fetch that email address, we will learn from this example. So let's see. Here I already did, but I will show you how to do that. So first of all, we will break this sentence into multiple spaces. It will easy for us to identify directly a specific text. Okay. So first of all, let's use a substitute function. As you can see, the text, this is the text. Old, which we need to, old text, we need to substitute. So we say space. A new text, here we will use repeat function. We want a space to be repeated 20 times, right? And so when I say 20 times, so reason here is to easy to identify a number of text before at the rate and after at the rate. So sometimes the number of characters mentioned before the at the rate are huge or small, right? So every person has a different type of email ID written. So only the at the rate is the character which easy to identify the email address, right? So we have just make a space before and after to identify the specific email address, irrespective of the number of characters before at the rate and after at the rate. Okay. So that is why we have used a substitute and repeat function to increase the space. Now you can see it easily break down by a specific email address. So we will fetch that information using mid function, right? So mid function, we have learned about mid function and before classes. So you can just go through that video. Here, the text. So we can say this is the text start number. Now, we don't know how many characters here. So first of all, we will use a search function, right? So search functions help us to identify where is the at the rate in specific number of characters, right? So find the text, we want to find out at the rate within text. So want within the text start number, we can say 1. And now after identifying at the rate from this sentence, we want to be identified number of characters. So we assume there are 20 characters before at the rate. So maximum 20 characters. It can be increased, but currently we are assuming 20 characters before at the rate. So whatever the position of the array at the rate, then it deduct 20 characters. Number of characters to be exactly fetched. So we want in the mid function to be fetched a 40. So around we assume there are 40 characters overall in the email address. So that way, and now we can simply say enter. As you can see, we are able to identify email address, but there is a space in it, right? So you can see here there is a space. So to remove the space, we will use a trim function. And once I use a trim function and enter, you can see exact email address we are able to identify, right? So this is how we can fetch the informations of email address from the different text. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow my channel. Thank you. Thank you, friends.